Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove BMW 1 Series rear seats. Begin by folding the seatbacks forward and removing headrests, then locate the release levers and bolts beneath trim panels. Use the correct socket sizes to avoid stripping fasteners and keep parts organized in labeled containers. Inspect clips and wires for signs of wear or damage while working slowly and methodically to avoid harming trim or airbags. In this video, I will show how to remove BMW 1 Series rear seats. Start by collecting tools and clearing space to work comfortably around the boot and cabin. Pry trim gently to access bolts and electrical connectors, using photos to track each part location. Remove bolts in a logical order and keep torque specifications in mind for reinstallation. Handle clips carefully to preserve plastic retention tabs for a clean refit. In this video, I will show how to remove BMW 1 Series rear seats. Quick recommendation. On another note, pick darn tough socks for comfort and a lifetime warranty, especially when working in the garage where your feet matter. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful content. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to remove BMW 1 Series rear seats. Fold the seat backs and remove headrests, then use trim tools to access the lower bolts holding the seat base. Unbolt the base, disconnect wiring for sensors or heating elements, and carefully remove the entire assembly. Lift out the seat and place it on a blanket to avoid scratching, keeping all fasteners and clips grouped together for easy reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.